Hey everyone. So I thought I'd give you all another update because my phone is blowing up, as well as Kora's, and we are getting just inundated with hundreds of messages. And so I thought this the most efficient way to kind of give everyone an update on exactly what's going on, because so many of you are concerned, so many of you are asking questions. So I thought I would just address them now. Kora's doing great. She's not on the camera right now because we are trying to give her some time to just bond with Athena, and so and she's tired. She's tired. So we're gonna go to our first pediatrician appointment today, Junie, and we're going to have her do an official pediatric exam with the pediatrician, which I am not. And just make sure that everything's okay from their perspective as well. We did one last night. I did my own exam, and then the midwife did their exam as well. June, okay.
This is on my pool.
It's a pool. It's a bouncy house now. It's done, right? There you go. So June's
There's a pool. I have a pool.
Okay, go in the pool. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
I jump high.
There was a liner on that pool, and that pool has been completely cleaned and sanitized in case anybody is concerned or worried. But June's a big baby. I mean, Athena was a big baby. She was nearly 8 pounds, 10 ounces, 21 inches long. So she was a big belly. Hey, June. June. Yeah, this is hard with a kid. Wait till we have 2 of these. Jeez. Hurry, turn it around.
My daddy at the pool.
You got in there and then you got out. What do you want me to do?
Idea.
You have an idea? Okay, show me your idea. But Kora's doing great. And she's just resting. Athena is doing nothing but eating, which is a really good sign. Here, June, you want some of that?
I'm on my pool.
Well, I put you in the pool and then you get out of the pool.
Do
Do you want in the pool or out of the pool?
It's so fun.
It's so fun, then why do you get out? Ready? Here.
Thank you, Daddy.
You're welcome, Jenny. So, we appreciate all the love, we appreciate all the support that we've had from everyone. It's been overwhelming and mostly overall positive. So, I don't know if any of you have ever watched a woman go through labor pains, but imagine that was pretty intense. And shows you the power of the human body and what women's body have to go through. Because it's pretty insane, it's pretty intense, and it's pretty beautiful as well. So, hey, June. I will. I've already kissed her many times. She's awesome. So yeah, we now are officially a family of 4, and we are adjusting into our new life, which is going to take some time. I'm sure, because I'm on both my page and Kora's page, kind of doing this at one time. I'm sure Kora will get on her page and let you know how she's doing and talk about it, and from her perspective. But from my perspective, it was a pretty special thing being able to catch my baby and bring her out of the water into the world. That was not something I ever thought that I'd actually be doing, because I'm not, because I wouldn't do that for anybody else's baby, just for my own. So it's pretty special, honestly. So thank you, everyone. Interesting thing is, Athena's already special. I named her appropriately because she came out face first. So that's 1 in 600 live births come out in face first. Usually they result in C-section. So we got lucky, and Kora was able to push her out, but there was some swelling on her eyes and around her mouth because she was basically being pushed out like that. So pretty wild. So that's why we're going to the pediatrician, just make sure everything's okay there. From their perspective, I'll be doing some osteopathic cranial work on her skull bones, and we'll show that if you like. And Yeah, it is. For those of you who have kids, especially the second kid, it's like, okay, life's different now. Now instead of just one kid, you have two, and yeah, it's not double, it's more, as one of my wise elderly patients always tells me. So I'm not going to stay on here too long because we are going to go to the pediatrician. It's not too far away. I have to go help Kora probably get dressed. She did tear a little bit, grade 2. So those of you interested in how to rehab that, a star party happened on Kora's page. I have no idea what that means. That sounds like a good thing. Okay, cool. Thank you everyone for the stars that is sending. So, all right. So, all right, I'm gonna go help Kora. Recap. Athena came out strong, kicking, happy. She was 8 pounds, 10 ounces, I believe. 21 inches tall. She has really long fingers and toes. She's very pretty, even though her eyes are a little swollen and her mouth's a little swollen. But that's just from coming out face first and just doing this. And but Mom's doing well. She's just tired, you know. And it's actually me encouraging her to take a day or so to herself to like recoup from what just happened. So I'm sure she'll be back on here tomorrow or maybe later tonight. I don't know. And we will reconvene. And she did tear a little bit, so she's going to be moving a little bit gingerly. And I'm going to rehab that. So that's something that for those women out there that have had a pelvic floor tear from giving birth, which is extremely common, I will be discussing how to recover from that and how to get your pelvic floor function back to normal, because it's actually super crazy important for digestion, your periods afterwards, many things. Great. All right. Thank you so much, everyone. And I'm back to being a dad, or a dad and a mom, kind of doing everything right now. Well, as far as everything around the house. All right. Thank you, everyone, for all those stars. I'm going to end mine. Thanks, everyone. Okay. Next. Thanks, everyone, for the congratulations. And yeah. So I'll be home for the next 2 weeks. So I'm going to be here to help her. So everyone has overwhelmingly positive things to say. I keep getting a bunch of phone calls from all over the world, and I've been ignoring them because I don't have time to be on the phone all day. So if you do call me, I'm not going to answer. Just energy consuming, and that's not really what I want to be doing right now. So thank you very much, and I'll catch you all later.